other parts of the world also, they can be a potential alternate source of this kind of minerals. How? Let's see. These are the conditions of the present major rivers of Bangladesh. As you can see, almost all the parts are filled up. This is a rail bridge, and I took this photo from a road bridge. So as you can see, there is maybe after 10-15 years, there will be no need of these bridges. You can walk through the middle of the river. And this is one of the biggest river in Bangladesh. Maybe one of the biggest river in Asia, the Ganges, in the mid-Ganges in the summer. So this siltation are conditions something like this. This is a very local river, one of the main tributaries of this Ganges one, in the mid-summer and in the middle of the river. So you can walk through. These are some of the conditions, and we found that these barge sediments, these depositions, these are mainly used locally for the construction and earth filling purposes, but they are rich in silicate materials. Along with some places, we found some heavy minerals. These are some of the places where I have gone through for the sampling procedure, in some of the places in detail. And in our office, we do this kind of physical separation using some gravity, magnetic and electric separators. And we could manage to separate some of the minerals to upgrade from their initial category, something like, say, averaging 60 to 70% quartz in the normal sand, what you can see in the beach or river areas, that can be upgraded up to 94% in initial separation. So my thinking is how we can use this kind of bulk sand and then upgraded silica. As you know, this 94% silica, normally the solar cell, it needs 99% plus, actually 99.99% most probably for making a solar cell. So if we can upgrade this 94% to 99%, can we use it as alternative solar cell raw material? This is not the solution from my side, because until being a geologist, until we can upgrade it unto 99%, next goes to the engineering field, whether we can use it for those purposes, not for only for solar cell, but for other cases also. There are some of the experimental results, not to go through all detail, but to confirm that, yeah, these fluvial sands are quite rich in other heavy minerals also. That could be a good alternate. Some of the microscopic features, and yeah, another thing which Japan is now quite interested about, the rare earth elements, selenium, neodymium, yttrium, thorium, strontium. These are also found in some considerable amount in some of the areas. So the reason why we think these fluvial sediments are quite good source, because nearly unlimited source of fluvial sediments, because Himalaya is on the north, sediment will be coming, yeah, almost unlimited times due to the rock cycle procedure. If we can consider all these materials as an alternate source, it will be an alternative activity of grazing that will save much amount of money, time, and also we can use all the minerals that have potential economic use. Or alternatively, why don't we think about it as something like Japan, making some artificial island. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you for the talk. We can accept one short question, if you have any. If not, let me join to thank him again.
Thank you very much.
And now this is the end of this session number 2, Life Science and Biotechnology. I think it's an interesting session, starting from Professor Akira and moving through this protein analysis and going through this plant study, animal study, and finally some microscopic techniques and some the land studies about some analysis I conducted in Bangladesh. I hope you enjoyed the session. And now it's the time for some relax, first for coffee and then for prayer asr. And the next session is going to be a very important session. The people are going to talk about their industrial experience, the about the starting a business or the new, how you can translate the research product into an actual product. So please gather here sharp 3:30 for the next session, session number 3, industry seminar and social science. Now we'll go for the Asr first and then tea break, coffee break. So directly gather for the Asr prayer and then the coffee break. Thank you.
No, Mom.